How to add timestamp in YouTube video. Timestamps make your videos easier to navigate. So let's break down how to add them step by step. So first, go ahead and open up YouTube Studio and then go to Content and then go ahead and select the video you want to edit. So you can go ahead and select that video by clicking on this details button. You can go ahead and edit the video details. Now at the middle section, you'll find video details. So below the title, you'll find description. Now in here, you can go ahead and add the timestamp. So for example, you want to add the timestamp for the intro and the start of the video. So simply enter here timestamp. And then under it, go ahead and enter that specific time for the start of the intro and the end of the intro. And then name this as intro. Now you can go ahead and add more stamps for the video. Now once you save this and then you try to view the video from YouTube, you'd be able to find the timestamps under the description. And viewers can easily click on this and skip the intro. So that is how you can basically add timestamps on YouTube.